Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a super handy tutorial: how to share your Wi-Fi password on Android in 2025. With the latest Android updates, this process is quicker and more secure than ever, making it perfect for when friends or family visit and need to connect. Let's jump right in. First things first, make sure your Android device is running the latest software update. This ensures you have access to all the newest features for seamless sharing. Start by unlocking your phone and opening the Settings app. It's usually on your home screen or easily found in your app drawer. Once you're in Settings, scroll down and tap on Network and Internet, or Connections, depending on your device model. This section manages all your wireless options, so it's the hub for what we need. Next, select Wi-Fi from the menu. You'll see a list of available networks, but focus on the one you're currently connected to. Tap on that network to open its details. Now, look for the Share button or an icon that looks like a QR code. Android in 2025 makes this really intuitive. When you tap it, your device will prompt you for security verification, like a fingerprint, face scan, or PIN. This step keeps your network safe from unauthorized access. After verification, a QR code will pop up on your screen. Simply show this code to the person who needs to connect. They can scan it using their device's camera or a QR reader app. If they don't have a scanner, you might have the option to display the password directly, but remember to use that sparingly for security reasons. And just like that, you're done. The other device should now connect automatically. This method is not only fast but also reduces the risk of typing errors with complex passwords. Before we wrap up, a quick tip: always be mindful of who you're sharing with to protect your home network. If you found this guide helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more tech tips, and let us know in the comments if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.